Did you know that inside your belly lives a bustling metropolis of trillions of microbes, more than the stars in the Milky Way? This isn't an invasion. It's your gut microbiome, a community of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that may hold the key to your health. With at-home testing kits now selling for $100–400, many wonder, are they worth it? Let's explore this hidden world with the latest 2025 insights. So what is the microbiome? Imagine your intestines as a city, and the microbiome as its population. About 2 to 3 pounds of microbes, roughly the weight of your brain. They're not freeloaders, they're workers. They break down foods you can't digest, turning plant fibers into short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, that fuel your colon cells. They also train your immune system, teaching it to fight harmful bugs while calming unnecessary inflammation. Even your brain feels their influence. Through the gut-brain axis, microbes produce chemicals like serotonin, 90% of which is made in the gut. In short, your digestive, immune, nervous, and metabolic systems are all linked by these microscopic partners. Here's the wow factor. Small shifts in your microbial mix can ripple across your whole body. Greater diversity acts like a shield, blocking pathogens by hogging nutrients and space. Research links diverse microbiomes to steadier blood sugar, lower obesity risk, and reduced anxiety. People with richer gut diversity often show lower rates of depression, diabetes, and autoimmune disease, thanks to SCFAs calming inflammation. These microbes also synthesize vitamins like B and K, break down toxins, and crowd out invaders. In centenarians, balanced microbiomes correlate with healthier aging, suggesting that nurturing these tiny allies may add vitality to your years. Think of it as an ecosystem where one microbe's waste is another's meal. Small players driving big health outcomes. Now about those testing kits, companies like Viome, Ombre, and Zoe let you mail in a stool sample and get a report on your microbial lineup, often with diet or supplement suggestions. They use sequencing methods like metagenomics or RNA analysis to identify species and flag imbalances. Some even claim to detect early issues before symptoms appear. Reviews highlight user-friendly apps and personalized nutrition advice, but experts urge caution. As of 2025, international guidelines stress that while microbiome testing is advancing in clinics, at-home kits remain unstandardized. Results can differ between companies or even from the same sample. There's no universal definition of a healthy microbiome, and your gut flora shifts daily with diet, stress, or medication. That makes a one-time snapshot about as reliable as predicting next year's weather. None of these kits are FDA approved for diagnosis, and evidence that their advice leads to real health improvements is thin. Gastroenterologists warn they may confuse more than clarify, sometimes pushing unnecessary supplements or restrictive diets. In short, they're fun for the curious but closer to novelty gadgets than medical must-haves. Why does this matter for everyday life? Because a thriving microbiome doesn't just prevent stomach issues. It boosts energy by improving nutrient absorption, sharpens focus through better brain signaling, and strengthens defenses against infections and allergies. It may even influence longevity. Diverse guts in centenarians suggest microbes help slow age-related decline. Eating for your microbes can also mean fewer cravings, steadier blood sugar, and better sleep. It's the ultimate small things, big impact story. Tune your inner city and your whole health skyline can change. So what's the practical takeaway? Skip the kits for now unless you're just experimenting, and instead focus on proven habits that nurture your microbes naturally. Aim for 30+ different plant foods a week, colorful veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Add fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, kimchi, or sauerkraut for probiotic boosts. Move daily with walks or yoga to stir up microbial diversity. Manage stress with meditation or time in nature, since cortisol can disrupt balance. And if symptoms persist, consult a doctor or dietitian for evidence-based testing rather than consumer kits. Your body is an incredible, self-regulating wonder. By caring for its hidden microbial world, you unlock a healthier, more resilient you.